Hello.
Let's practice English.
Have you ever tried to speak English and suddenly your mind goes blank?
Oh, yes, Alex. That happens to many people.
You want to say something, but the words just disappear.
And you think, oh no, I forgot my English.
If this has happened to you, don't worry.
You are not alone.
Today, we are going to practice simple English communication together.
Yes, today's topic is English communication practice.
We will have a relaxed conversation.
And you can listen and learn with us.
By the end of this video, you will feel more confident speaking English.
And maybe you will even smile while learning.
But first, Mia, I have a question.
Okay, what is it?
Did you drink coffee this morning?
Of course I did.
I knew it.
I cannot start my day without coffee.
Same here.
Coffee and English practice are my morning routine.
That sounds like a great routine.
What about you, Alex? What did you do this morning?
Well, my morning started a little funny.
Oh, what happened?
I tried to say good morning to my neighbor,
That sounds normal.
but instead I said good night.
No way.
Yes, my brain was still sleeping.
That is very funny.
My neighbor looked confused.
Did you correct yourself?
Yes, I said, sorry, I mean good morning.
That is a great example.
Why?
Because mistakes happen when we speak.
Exactly.
And that is okay.
Today, we want to help you feel comfortable speaking English.
Communication is not about perfect grammar.
It is about sharing ideas
Talking with people.
and understanding each other.
Now, let's start our English communication practice.
Mia, when do you usually practice English?
I practice a little every day.
What do you do?
Sometimes I listen to English videos.
Like this one?
Yes, exactly like this one.
That is a good method.
I also talk to myself in English.
Really?
Yes,
What do you say?
simple things like, I am making coffee,
That is smart.
or I am going to the store.
These small sentences help a lot.
Yes, they help your brain think in English.
Listeners, you can try this too.
Speak simple English during your day.
Now, let's learn a useful phrase.
Here's phrase number 1.
Can you repeat that?
This phrase is very useful.
Sometimes you do not understand someone.
Then you can say, can you repeat that?
It is polite and simple.
Let's try an example.
Mia, I will speak quickly.
Okay.
Blah, 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 English practice, blah, blah, blah.
Sorry, Alex. Can you repeat that?
See? Perfect.
Now I understand.
That is how communication works.
Now let's talk about another situation.
Imagine you meet a new person,
Maybe at work.
or at school.
They ask you a simple question.
How are you today?
What can you say?
You can say, I'm good,
Or, I'm doing well.
or I'm fine, thank you.
Very simple answers.
Let's try a small conversation.
Okay.
Hi, Mia. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well.
See? Easy communication.
Now, I want to share a short story.
I like stories.
A few months ago, I met a tourist
Where?
in a small cafe.
What happened?
He wanted to order food.
Was his English good?
Not perfect, but he tried.
That is important.
He said, I want chicken and rice.
Simple words.
The waiter understood him.
That is communication.
Yes,
You do not need perfect sentences.
you just need to try.
Now, let's learn another useful phrase.
Phrase number 2.
What do you mean?
This phrase helps when something is confusing.
For example,
If I say something strange,
I can ask, what do you mean?
let's try it.
Okay.
Mia, yesterday I saw a flying sandwich.
Wait, what do you mean?
Exactly.
That phrase helps you ask for clarification.
Now we have a question for our listeners.
Yes.
Where are you listening from?
Write "Hello, Alex and Mia" in the comments and tell us your country.
We love reading your messages.
Now let's talk about something funny again.
I have a story.
Tell us.
One time I tried to order coffee in English,
That sounds normal.
but I was nervous.
What did you say?
I wanted to say, "I would like a coffee."
And
I said, "I would like a coffee machine."
a coffee machine?
Yes.
That must be expensive.
The waiter started laughing.
What did you do?
I laughed too.
That is the best reaction.
Communication can be funny sometimes.
Yes, mistakes create good stories.
Now, let's share some simple tips for better communication.
Tip number 1.
Speak slowly.
Slow speech helps people understand you. Tip number 2.
Use simple words.
Simple English is powerful.
Tip number 3.
Do not fear mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Even native speakers.
Tip number 4.
Practice every day.
Even 5 minutes helps.
Now, let's do a quick recap.
Today, we practiced English communication.
We learned useful phrases.
Can you repeat that?
What do you mean?
We also shared stories.
And some funny moments.
Remember, communication is about connection.
Not perfection.
Now it's your turn.
Answer our question in the comments.
Do you practice speaking English every day?
You can write something simple. For example, yes, I practice every day. Or, I practice 3 times a week.
Any answer is great practice.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope this conversation helped you feel more confident speaking English.
If you enjoyed this video, please like it.
And subscribe to our channel.
We share simple English conversations every week.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
And remember,
English can be simple and fun.
see you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.